Hi, I'm Kathy Beatty, and we own Grand Coulee Center Lodge in Grand Coulee. We have 32 rooms, we have suites, we have just 2-bed units. We have coffee pots and microwaves and refrigerators in all of the rooms. We have boat parking. We have barbecues for all the fishermen who catch those nice fish. And we do have continental breakfast, which we're the only one in the area that does have that, and that's proved to be very popular too. If you come and stay with us and you find a room you like, just give us that number and we will be more than happy to try to get you back in that room.